In a peaceful village surrounded by hills and forests, lived a kind monk named Kavi. Known for his wisdom and gentle nature, Kavi was respected by all. But inside, he carried a deep hurt from a betrayal by his closest friend Arjun. Years ago, Kavi and Arjun were best friends. They shared everything, studying, meditating, and supporting each other. But one day, Arjun betrayed Kavi. He stole valuable items from the monastery and blamed Kavi. The village was outraged, and Kavi's reputation was ruined. Even though he was innocent, he was expelled from the monastery and lost the respect of the community. The pain of being betrayed was overwhelming for Kavi. Time passed, and Kavi lived alone in a small hut far from the village. He spent his days meditating and praying, trying to heal his heart. Though he still felt the sting of betrayal, he knew that holding on to anger would only hurt him more. One evening, while Kavi was meditating under a large tree, an old woman from the village came to see him. She was known for her wisdom and had come to seek Kavi's advice. The old woman said, "Kavi, your heart is heavy with pain. I understand your sorrow, but there is a truth that might bring you peace. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, not just to others." Kavi listened but felt unsure. The old woman continued, "When you hold on to anger, you stay stuck in the past. Forgiveness frees you from that pain." That night, Kavi thought deeply about what the old woman had said. The next morning, he decided to find Arjun and offer forgiveness. It was a challenging decision, but Kavi knew that forgiveness was the key to healing his own heart. Kavi returned to the village he had avoided for years. The village had changed, and so had Arjun. Once wealthy, Arjun was now living in poverty and isolation. Kavi found him in a rundown house on the edge of the village. Arjun looked worn out and regretful. When Arjun saw Kavi, he fell to his knees, tears in his eyes. "Kavi, I am so sorry for what I did. I have regretted my actions every day. I never thought I'd see you again. Can you ever forgive me?" Seeing Arjun's sorrow, Kavi's heart ached. He took a deep breath and said gently, "Arjun, I have come to forgive you. I was hurt by what you did, but holding on to anger only made my pain worse. I want to move forward with a heart free of bitterness." Arjun was stunned and grateful. "Thank you, Kavi. I don't deserve your forgiveness, but I am deeply thankful. I have learned that true happiness comes from being honest and kind." With Kavi's forgiveness, a new chapter began for both men. Kavi helped Arjun rebuild his life, offering guidance and support. This act of forgiveness wasn't just a gesture of kindness, it was a path to healing for both of them. As they worked together, Arjun's life slowly improved. The village saw his transformation and began to respect him once again. Kavi and Arjun's reconciliation became a powerful lesson for everyone.